Yes, this morning we're here in Newport Reach, and this lady, she just called me because this pool deck has 10 years old, so doesn't look that good. And what you're gonna do here, we're gonna take everything, like every single piece of paver. They look so unlevel, especially this area here. Very dangerous, you know, for kids, even for adults, you know. Looks so bad. Well, the whole area looks like this, you know. Some areas sinking, you know. The whole pool deck looks like this. Not that good. Well, after 10 years, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but we're gonna do our best and put everything back together, level it up, and it's gonna come up very good. So here we also have a bad spot. And they have kids, so she told me the kids hurt they hurt themselves over here. So this is how bad the area looks like. Got a big gap over here. I'm gonna try to fix everything here. Well, if you have a pool deck look like this, don't hesitate, give me a call, and we can come over and fix everything up.